Hi, welcome to Meru. Me, her, and you. Today, let us do a science experiment at home. Do you like yogurt? I love to have it in my smoothies. Now, what is the science behind making yogurt? Bacterial fermentation. Have you seen the ad on the store-bought yogurt container? It says it have live bacteria, which are a type of microorganisms. Yogurt contains mainly two bacteria, Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, which turns milk into yogurt. Now, what is fermentation? It is the chemical breakdown of substance by bacteria. The bacteria present in yogurt starter ferment or break down the milk sugar, which is called lactose, to produce lactic acid. The increase in lactic acid causes milk to clot into soft gel and taste sour. So that's it, friends. The process which milk is turned into yogurt is called bacterial fermentation. Making yogurt is easy. You need to add some yogurt to warm milk and keep it in a warm place undisturbed for 6 to 12 hours. Let us make some yogurt. It is also called curd. is turned into yogurt. Try out some yummy smoothie recipes under Little Chef playlist in Mehru with your homemade yogurt. Bye! See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love, Mehru.